This question asks us what is the solution to the system of equations below, and it gives us two equations, and it's a linear system. You could solve this several different ways using substitution elimination. You could solve it by graphing or by matrices, but I'm going to choose to get y by itself in both equations and then use the TI84 graphing calculator to find the intersection of the two lines. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to take that first equation, 4x minus 7y equals negative 2, and I'm going to get y by itself. So I have 4x minus 7y equal to negative 2. And to get y by itself, I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides since it's a positive 4x, so minus 4x. That leaves me with negative 7y equal to negative 4x minus 2. Now I have a negative 7y. To get rid of that, I'm going to divide both sides by a negative 7. And I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm not going to simplify, I'm not going to reduce, because the calculator will take care of all that for me. So it's negative 4x over negative 7 minus 2 over 7. Negative 7. Let's go ahead and get y by itself in the second equation. So the second equation was 12x minus 21y equals negative 42. To get x by or y by itself, I'm going to subtract 12x from both sides, so minus 12x minus 12x. Bring down the negative 21y equal to negative 12x minus 42. Then I'm going to divide everything by negative 21, leaving us with y is equal to negative 12x over negative 21 minus 42 over negative 21. Hopefully all that's fitting on the screen. Let's go ahead and bring out our graphing calculator and turn it on. I'm going to go ahead and clear my RAM because I have some information already in my y equals screen. So I'm going to go second plus 712 to clear my RAM. And I'm going to go to my y equals screen and type in that first equation. So the first equation was y equals negative 4x divided by negative 7. I know you can't quite see that, but to get the negatives, you're hitting the button below the 3. So minus, anytime you have a minus or a negative separating two different numbers or a number and a letter, you have to use the subtract button, which is above the plus. So subtract 2 divided by negative 7. Boy, that negative dropped off twice now. So there you go. Press enter. For the second equation, we have negative 12x, x again is by the green alpha button, divided by negative 21. Subtract 42 divided by negative 21. Press enter. Now that I have both equations in my calculator, I'm going to hit the graph button, and let's see if we can find out where those two lines intersect. Well, this is a bit different. It looks like the lines never actually intersect anywhere. So since the lines never intersect, we know that there is no solution. So it has to be answer choice D. There's no solution. Now, if the lines were exactly the same, there would be an infinite number of solutions. And if the lines intersected, we would find out where the lines intersected, and that would be the solution. So again, since they never intersected, it was no solution.